The first exercise is called a chin tuck. To begin, start by having your back touching the wall. Now perform a chin tuck until the back of your head is touching the wall. Hold for 5 seconds and work up to 10 repetitions. The next exercise is called a wall angel. To begin, start by having your back touching the wall. Now, perform a chin tuck like you did before. In this position, try to touch your elbows and hands to the wall. Move your arms up and down through a comfortable range of motion. It is okay if you cannot touch the wall with your hands. Go as far as you can and still perform the motion. Arching your back is incorrect and should be avoided. The last exercise is called a door stretch. Begin by having your arms at this height and lean through the door. You should feel a stretch in your chest and shoulders. Perform in a pain-free range of motion. Step through the door by alternating your feet. Do not allow your head to fall forward. This is bad posture. So we can continue to make these free educational videos, please subscribe to our channel.